If a stubborn cough just won't give you a break, nature offers some soothing solutions. Warm turmeric milk is a classic remedy. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties help calm irritated airways, while the warmth of the milk eases throat discomfort. Honey mixed with a pinch of black pepper works like magic to coat your throat and reduce constant coughing. Sipping on ginger tea can also bring relief, as ginger fights inflammation and naturally clears mucus. You can even try steam inhalation with a few drops of eucalyptus oil to open your chest and make breathing easier. With these simple yet powerful home remedies, you can say goodbye to that nagging cough and welcome natural, gentle relief. Stay connected with health. Plus, for more health tips and videos,